Minister for Information, Dr. Mustafa Hamid, our Chairman of the DVLA Board, Frank Davis, CEO of the Free Zones Board, Mr. Belfi, our distinguished senior officials from the presidency. I wish you all, on behalf of the President, Nana Addo Akofu Addo, a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. As the very hard-working manageress, Christina Abe Addo, has said, this is my second time at the Osu Children's Home this year. The first time I came as Vice President was during the celebration of the Muslim festival, the Eid al-Fitr. And this time I'm coming during the celebration of the Christian festival of Christmas to commemorate the birth of Jesus Christ. It is at moments like these that we think about what the purpose or the true meaning of these celebrations are. It is not just about sitting at home and merry-making. It's not about just merry-making. It is about reflecting about those who are less fortunate than ourselves, to those who feel very excluded, and trying to make sure that we think about them. It is about charity. It is about caring for one another. And it is in this light that I'm here, not just on my own behalf, but on behalf of the President, Nana Addo Akofu Addo, who is very, very caring and wants us to make sure as we build and try to transform this nation, that we make sure we don't leave anybody behind. We should always make sure we are moving with everybody. We should be each other's keeper, be your brother's keeper. And that is what we are trying to do. So our visit here today is to let the children know that even in this season of Christmas, when everybody is going home and visiting family, that the government is very, very interested in their well-being, and we want to make sure that they also enjoy the Christmas festivities. They should not be left behind. And so we are here to wish you a very Merry Christmas, wish you a Happy New Year, but also let you know that it is not only in times of Christmas or celebration that you are on our minds. You are always going to be in our hearts. And for a government, as a nation, we will ultimately be measured by how well we look after the less fortunate in society. And that is what we want to make sure, that when we are measured against that standard, that we can come up to standard. So we are here, as I said, to wish you a Merry Christmas, but we know that your challenges are beyond just today or celebrating Christmas. And we want to make sure that these challenges are addressed. I know, Madam Christina Addo, you have challenges to do with your electricity bills. I've been told very clearly that it is a major challenge as well as staffing. And I don't think it is unique only to you, and we will look at how to deal with this for you. We will look at how to deal with these issues for you. So we will continue to take an interest in the children and in the staff here as well. I must say you are doing an excellent job. The staff are really fantastic, and you are the ones who are doing the major heavy-duty lifting on a daily and nightly basis. So may God bless you. May God bless you for all the work that you do for the children. We are so grateful to you as staff. And the token that we have brought on behalf of the President and the government is something to say, you know, also enjoy the festive season. But we will continue to support you as we are doing. God bless you, and may I take this opportunity to wish all of you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.